Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Kia Stinger key battery. First, make sure you have a new CR2032 battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver to help open the key fob. Begin by locating the small button on the side of your key fob, which releases the emergency key. This is the first step to accessing the battery compartment. Once you've pressed the release button, slide out the physical emergency key. Now, look for a small slot where the emergency key was removed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, or by prying, separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry it out of its holder. Be careful not to scratch any internal components. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Make sure it clicks securely into place. After the new battery is installed, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.